Hi, welcome to TVCS. I'm Tanvir. Today I'm here for explaining. This is the kinematics of physics, and basically, this is a distance time graph. In distance time graph, the dimension or value of distance is given in graph vertically. Always the value of distance, the dimension of distance given vertically, and always in distance time graph, time is given horizontally. We need to memorize the data, the picture you are watching. That is the picture performance of person A. This is the performance of person B. These both are the speed, because in distance time graph there are three properties. The vertical one is distance, the horizontal one is time, and this is speed. So in distance time graph there are three measures: distance, time, and speed. Okay, you watching describe the motion of athletes during the first 8 seconds. This person is the A person, athletes A. A has started traveling journey from the zero, and you are watching the tendency of this type of bending tendency until 4 seconds. A has a accelerating attitudes. So the answer, the until 4, the answer of A, the athletes A has accelerated until 4 seconds. Okay, after 4 seconds, you watching that after 4 seconds, this is 4 seconds, right? After 4 seconds until 8, you are watching this line is a straight line, right? This line is now a straight line. So after 4 seconds until 8 seconds, okay, he speeded constantly. In O-level final mark scheme, after exam, answer paper come from London. In answer paper, at the time of checking up the question, just they want to see the word. Here there is a 2 key word. Until 4 seconds accelerated, and until 8 that speeded constantly. So this 2 key word is very essential. In first part that is accelerated, in second part he continued constantly. So in answer, if you write these 2 words carefully, your answer is right, because 2 matter in your answer. There is 2 matter. One is the thematic or property, another is the linguistic matter. If you write with a better handwriting, better language, nicely, you will get obviously highest mark. But if you don't have these 2 properties, 2 information, whatever your better language, no matter, you will get ungraded, fail. So first in O-level there is 2 matter. One is the quality, another is the quantity. Quality is the information and quantity is the language. Okay, that's a different talk. I'm going to the section question B. State the distance between the two athletes as the winner passes 100 marks, 100-meter mark. You know this is 100 meter, right? 100 meter. B is here, you are watching, the winner is B. At the same time you are watching A is here, and this is 100. At the same time, that is 93. So the answer of B, when B as a winner exists at 100 meter, A as a second person, A is at 93 meter. So the difference is 7 meter. You know, your brain many times work that this is B and this is A. This is the tricks of O-level exam. You know, when B passes 100 meter, at the same time A is not here, A is here. You have to use your brilliance that when B passes 100 meter, A is here, so that is 93, because this is 90 and that is 93. Each of this line is 2, and so after 90 that is 3. Anyway, so this is the answer of B. Now I am going to the C. C. Calculate the speed of athletes A between that 4 second and 15 second. You know this is 4 second and that is 15 second. I mean, you have to have from the before 4 second, you don't have any concerning. You will start counting from 4 second until 15 second. And you know that as you are counting from 4 second, and the race is 100 meter race, so the vertical issue will be 100 meter to this 4. So now my total concerning is this line and that line, nothing else. this area not needed, only this line and that line, right? And from these two line I have to have speed. Okay, and we are talking about the athletes A. So you know that I told you that for getting this line you have to divide this value and this value. What is the value here? In this line, what is the value? In this line, the value is 100 meter and this is 20, right? Minus 20. So for getting the speed of A, you have to, this is 120, so upside that is 80. I told that for getting this speed, you have to count this line and that line, right? This line you already have got 100 minus 20. Why 100 minus 20? Because the race is until 100 and race has started from 20. So 20 minus 100. And you are watching, this is this dimension, this value of this line is, you know, the beginning is 4 and last is 15. So you have to subtract 15 minus 4. So downside 15 minus 4, that is 6, 5, 11. Have you understood? I mean, this line value is 15 minus 4 and this value is 100 minus 20. And last of all, 7 11 is 77. That is approximately 7.3. Consciously you have to put meter second because this is the unit of the speed. So in total, calculate the speed. I told that at the beginning of the video, I told that For getting the speed, undoubtedly you have to count this portion, vertical portion, divided by horizontal portion. You get automatically this speed. So for getting this speed at let's A, we have to get this information, value of this line, or that is already 80, and we have to get the value of this line, that is 15 upon 4, I mean 11. 15 minus 4. 15, why 15? Because last destination is 15 and beginning the destination is 4. So 11. 15 minus 4 is 11. So this is one value, this is another value, and this is the answer. Exactly, we have completed paper 2, physics paper 2. I would suggest after completing the physics book, if a student solve paper 2 question, he will get the real maturity, because maturity lies in the hardship. We have to complete the hard question. Be with us. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.